Hello everyone. So today in this video we are talking about one project which is actually a multi-services and multi-products platform. So Cryptoro is a fintech, multi-services and multi-products company with an educational online trading school and their own marketplace. So it's good that they have their own marketplace. Besides, they have their own book editorial publisher for auto editing. Cryptoro begins with international mission. So, besides this, they are worldwide agent of AUVesta, and you can buy, sell, and distribute physical gold, silver, palladium, and platinum. So, they are an international mission in order to become a reference in many sectors such as education, finance, health, new technology and innovation, sectors highly important and necessary for today's society. So Cryptoro has been designed to find the best professionals in each area. At this moment, they work with 38 experts in the following sectors: education, economy, financial markets, cryptocurrencies, digital marketing, web design, computing engineering, blockchain, trading, sales, e-learning, PNL business, coaching and journalism. So as you have seen, so many systems, so many multi-services and multi-products, we can say, all under one roof. And for this Cryptoro, there is a native token called CTRO. So let's take a look at the CTRO token. CTRO is a utility token for Cryptoro, and all the transactions will happen within the Cryptoro ecosystem with the CTRO token. Cryptoro will develop its own blockchain. In addition, this is according to roadmap, they will develop their own blockchain. In addition, they are working on Cryptoro ticketing under the blockchain. So news and advances, Cryptoro has very promising future as well as the present itself. Recently, Cryptoro has initiated a massive bond campaign, and there is a chance to join with this campaign. Yeah, and once we join with this campaign, doing some social media tasks, we can earn a few CTROs, which is a great opportunity for everyone. Also, Cryptoro is working to offer shortly a transmission of encrypted data through the blockchain and with IPFS. The blockchain chosen is XDAI chain, who is a stable payments blockchain designed for fast and inexpensive stable transactions. Currently, there is IO ongoing for CTRO, which is a token for Cryptoro, and this token sale is presently is held on Emirates exchange, which is one of the great exchange. So you can take a part on that. And as I mentioned, CTRO is a utility token which is now available on Emirates, so you can take a part of this. Also, 300 CTRO will be available for you if you are among the first IO participants. So another news is the new IO listing at Big One Exchange will also happen from April 15, and this will be a limited period offer. So you can join Big One Exchange, you can take a part in IO of Cryptoro. So for more information, you can visit their website, read their white paper, you can join all their social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube and so on. All the links I have given in the description, you can visit on that. Hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to comment, share and to subscribe to our channel Forex and Crypto Auditor. Thank you.